back to Jessie at Home. Today I am super excited. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jessie and I usually make cleaning motivation videos. I do cleaning motivation videos every single Thursday. So if you love like extreme messy house cleaning motivation, this is definitely the channel for you. But today I'm doing my 2019 Christmas home tour. I have a lot of farmhouse decor. I have a lot already done. I have a lot of just a lot. I love like the extreme decorating. I love going crazy for the holidays. So if that is your thing, definitely hit the subscribe button and you are going to enjoy this video. Before we get too started, I just wanted to show you guys this necklace. If you remember in my last video, Anna Luisa sent me this and also a ring. So you can also use the link in the description box below to get up to 25% off for Black Friday. So let's go ahead and get this home tour started. I am super excited to share that Projects Blessing Santa's Helpers is back again this year. My friends Mariah from Dairy State Vegan and Cambria from Living with Cambria and I are joining together again to share with you, bring awareness to this little kind of act of kindness that we would like everyone to get involved in. It is super simple. You just leave a basket full of goodies for your delivery drivers because they are really the ones that make Christmas happen. And for me anyway, as a busy mama, I'm always ordering online and I have stacks of boxes come Black Friday. So if you would like to use this hashtag, snap a pic, tag us on Instagram so we can reshare on our stories. That would be amazing. And I'm also going to be tagging some other creators, Mandy in the Making and Missy from Love Missy. And I'm also going to be tagging Megan from Loving Life as Megan. If you would like to do this on Instagram or add it into one of your videos to kind of bring awareness, like kindness during this season, and that would be amazing. I am super excited and hopefully you want to participate.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us.
This garland is my absolute favorite part of my entryway. I got the flocked garland, this whole thing, from TJ Maxx for $30, and I added the ribbon, the poinsettias, the little red glittery berries. Basically this garland only had the flocked greenery and then the pine cones, and I added everything else. I added the beaded garland, just everything. I am absolutely in love with this. It's absolutely stunning. It does get snow everywhere, but it's worth it to me. And I love adding my own touch to items that I buy from the store.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first.
My twin flocked trees are from Walmart. They are the unlit 6-foot ones, I believe. And I got one a couple years ago for $25, and the one that we're looking at right now is one that I got this year for $35. So they are super affordable and absolutely gorgeous.
That's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
Got that North Pole Bakery and Cafe sign from Home Goods this year, and I got this little teeny kitchen hutch off of Facebook Marketplace for really cheap. I want to say like $45 or something like that. I think it's actually a children's like bookshelf or something, because it's really tiny. But I don't know, it might help you in your search terms to find something outside of the normal like hutch, and you can make it yours for a pretty affordable price.
Saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day.
I found these little Christmas sink stoppers from Home Goods this year. They were like $3.99 a piece. I absolutely love it. And this little kitchen towel ladder was a gift from my sister last year or the year before. I always get questions about it, but I think it's an easy DIY that you could do for pretty cheap on your own.
Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day. Dance around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dance around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dance around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas Day. It's white.
My family tree, my kids helped decorate it, and it has a lot of sort of sentimental homemade ornaments on it. The trees in the dining room are more for me. This tree is just like the family one that we love decorating together each year.
Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love.
My kids always love bringing out these Santa pictures. It is the highlight of decorating for Christmas for us. They always like to reminisce and remember what happened each time they went to take a picture with Santa.
Forever it's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
This little wooden pallet tree is one that I actually found from Kohl's. Don't sleep on Kohl's, you guys. They have some amazing deals and they have a beautiful Christmas area.
Up till now, don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can't see it in your eyes.
And this little tree is the hall tree, and it is made up of all the initial ornaments from my children. I get them a new initial ornament every single year, and I just thought it would be really pretty to make a tree just full of all of M and G's. M for Madeline and G for Gabriel.
The year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Summer ended, but we did not. We started something. This thing that we got grew stronger. Each day we're together. On the way, oh, we're falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear. We're falling in love. It's through this part of the year. We have something in store for us. We're falling in love. Hey. Say.
Nothing too crazy in the kids' bathroom. I just added a simple little tree, I think that I got from Target Dollar Spot last year. A fun shower curtain for them and a little hand towel. Just a little touch of Christmas and nothing like crazy because they were a little annoyed with all the little pumpkins that I put on their counter for the fall. So I really listened to them and just kind of put a few cute Christmas touches without just going nuts.
Something in store for us. We're falling in love. We're falling in love.
I just added touches of Christmas in here. I didn't go too crazy because my headboard is kind of hard to do Christmas with. So I just added this birch candle in here, and I actually love that. I think I'm going to leave that in there all year long, and a little bit of garland and some picks from Dollar Tree up in my little bud vases, just to add a little bit of Christmas in here. Nothing too crazy.
In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do.
Since the bathroom is blue, I didn't want to do red and green in here either, so I just added some silvers, some little trees, and just kind of made this sort of a winter wonderland in the bathroom. This is a great bathroom to relax in. I love using my jetted tub. I use it every single night. It's kind of my nighttime routine. So I just wanted to make it a little bit special for me without going overboard on the Christmas.
Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in.
Thank you so much for choosing my channel to get you inspired to decorate for Christmas in your home. Definitely leave a comment below if you have any questions about any of the decor that you saw in this video. And I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button. It definitely helps out my channel. And I would love for my channel to grow and inspire other people to decorate, to keep their house clean, to just all around just have a good old time. If you did enjoy this video, I make videos every single Thursday, cleaning motivation videos with the occasional decorate videos. So hopefully I will see you guys next week.
I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.